Missile warning. Radar lock. No time to react. In modern air combat, seconds are everything. And in one moment, one mistake, one missed signal can bring down even the most powerful fighter in the sky. Because this wasn't supposed to happen. An F-15 was just taken down. The F-15, a fighter jet built for air superiority, a machine designed to dominate the skies, was just taken down. And what happened in that moment is forcing militaries around the world to rethink everything they know about air warfare. Because if this can happen, then nothing in the sky is truly safe anymore.
Pamela, the breaking news is that 3 U.S. sources now confirm.
Subscribe to Jetgine for real air warfare stories and modern combat analysis. Why this shouldn't have happened. Reports began to emerge from a contested region. An F-15, one of the most capable fighters ever built, had been engaged and lost. Details were unclear. Some reports were conflicting, others were incomplete, but the implication was undeniable. This wasn't just another incident. This was a signal, because what happened here is not just about one aircraft. It's about a shift in how wars in the sky are fought, a shift from dominance to vulnerability. And to understand that shift, we need to understand the battlefield. The fighter that ruled the sky. An F-15 was built with one goal: control the sky. It was fast, it was heavily armed, and it was designed to detect and destroy threats before they could respond. For decades, it did exactly that. Its reputation was unmatched. Air superiority was not a question. It was expected. What changed in modern warfare? But warfare doesn't stand still. And over the past decade, something changed. Air defense systems became faster, smarter, more connected. Radars could track multiple targets. Missiles could adjust mid-flight. And electronic warfare began to blur the line between detection and deception. The sky became more dangerous. The rise of advanced air defense. Modern air defense is no longer about a single missile. It's about systems, layered defense, multiple launch points, coordinated tracking, and in that environment, even advanced aircraft face a new kind of risk. Not from one direction, but from everywhere. What really went wrong? There is no confirmed explanation, but several possibilities emerge. Detection. Even advanced aircraft can be tracked under certain conditions. Saturation. Multiple threats launched at once, forcing defensive systems into overload. Or timing. A moment where the pilot, the system, or the situation simply couldn't react fast enough. A war scenario you need to see now. Imagine a full-scale conflict. Aircraft enter contested airspace. Air defenses activate. Missiles launch. Electronic warfare begins. And suddenly the sky becomes a battlefield of signals. speed and reaction, where survival is no longer guaranteed. If this is true, nothing is safe. In this kind of environment, everything happens at once. Detection, targeting, engagement, and even the most advanced aircraft can find itself outmatched in just a few seconds. The end of air superiority? If this incident reflects a real shift, then the implications are massive. Because it's not just about one aircraft. It's about the future of air dominance. If systems on the ground can challenge control of the sky, then the balance of power changes. The future of air combat. Drones, artificial intelligence, networked warfare. The battlefield is evolving faster than ever. And the question is no longer who has the most powerful aircraft, but who can adapt the fastest. The rules of air combat are changing.